Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Temu. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Temu and you will click here in this page. After that, in this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Temu. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.